Alright, you guys can come off my case now. You're finally meeting the baby. Eyes open and all. Eyes open and all. Come. Auntie Reach. Yes, that's a reach. That's her reach. You know my voice, don't it? Yeah, girl. Give me them eyes. Yes. Yes. You're not hungry. You're not hungry. You're not hungry. Time. The gang has arrived. Look at them. Look at them cute one already.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm very tired mama, but another day of adventure. We are out and about this morning. I'm supposed to be meeting up with my friends, Kashif and her kids. The kids are at the park in Center Town today. I'm maximizing these days. As long as I can take them out, they will be out. So they're here just jumping and prancing around. We just got to the park, so enjoy the vlog that we have to show you today. The kids will be out and about living their best life. Say good morning.
What one?
Where's the other one you asked? Let's go find her. Sarah, Sarah, say good morning.
Mommy.
You're jumping. She chose her outfit this morning. She saw this dress and she was like, Mama, wow. Ty, jump. Sarah, jump with Ty. Come. She wants to jump alone. Oh my God. Up. You want to go to the swing? Let's go to the swing. If I see it, yes, I see it. Say, Mama, you see it? Yes, I see it.
Mama?
Yes.
See it?
Yes, I see it. Do you see it? We have to wait, okay? And be patient, okay? And be nice, okay? No running. Stop. Sing time. Hold it. Hold on. Right. Put your hand up. Hey.
My foot was over your camera.
Hello. One last swing, okay? Last push. Good job. Come. Again. The gang has arrived. Look at them. Look at them. All kind of madness they're playing at the same time. As long as they're alright, that's all that matters. I can't get over a little outfit. So I came to buy lunch for the kids and myself. So I'm at the Chinese. I'm getting a salad for myself here. And then I'm getting curry chicken and baked Anthony for the kids to go. Ice cream for the gang. Fraise. Oui, oui, cornet, s'il vous plaît. Sarah, fraise.
Don't choose another.
Yes, you want that one.
For mommy.
Which one you want?
I coffee. Don't choose another ice cream. Choose red. You have to choose smoothie.
Merci. Et pour toi? Tiens. Oui. Eat. Eat. Because it's going to fall. Sarah, hold it properly, please.
Mama, before
La princesse.
Et Amaury? You're welcome. Amaury, tu veux quoi?
Confiture du lait?
Ouais.
Un cornet aussi?
Oui. Combien?
10 euros, madame.
10. Alright, you guys can come off my case now. You're finally meeting the baby. Eyes open and all. Eyes open and all. Come, tell them the baby's name.
So you don't know your niece's name?
You tell them. Aloria.
Go ahead. Oh, you pronounce it right?
Infinity. Aloria Infinity Peterson.
Why is it Peterson you get wrong? Say it good man, not a P. A Peterson. Say
Peterson.
Say it proudly now.
So you guys see Tashika, but it's the first you guys see Lori face up and out and
With a bottle in her mouth.
with
You
a
could have at
bottle in her. Tyler, Ty, send her to me. Sarah, come here. Trouble now. Alright, you guys, this is the newest member of the squad. Why Sarah have a phone?
I think that's why he said it's not funny. Sister.
I say you should play with them in our So there you go, guys, with the official Lori. That's what I call her, but her brother don't like me to alter her name and call her Lori. You must call her Aloria. Newest member of the hiking squad. Lori, when we're going to do our first hike? We're ready, you know? We're ready. Look at this little cuteness. You guys, look at Lori's hair. Look at her hair. Up close and personal.
Length check. Length check. Length check.
Look at the good hair. Goody with the good hair. Sarah, come here. Hi, Lori. Say hello to the faves. Tell faves hello.
Here's a turn our face.
Tell faves hello.
See if you can see the back
Look
of your
here.
hair now.
Watch here. Why are you in there giving trouble? No, yes. Stop screaming. Be nice. Be. Open your mouth. You definitely was hungry. Yeah, eat.
Let's turn that way. I think I can see you.
We are giving Faves a full out view of you today, Miguel. A full view. And please, guys, please to tell Tashika that the baby doesn't look nothing like her. It's all daddy. She's
Hello.
about to puke.
Hello, I have 3 kids.
And not one of them don't look like you.
That's okay.
Sarah's
I know who made
okay,
them.
she's eating.
I know who made them.
Ah, that's okay. Come, Sarah. Anyway, you guys, I'm about to bounce leave them right now.
Say
Come,
bye-bye.
Lori, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye,
Say
fam.
bye.
Bye. We don't see the tongue.
Ah, give them tongue.
Look at bright eyes. Princess. Princess, you're finally out. Teeny Bob. That's your new name. Teeny Bob. That's your new name.
You change your name now?
Teeny Bob. Hi, Teeny. Hi, Teeny. Please.
Oh my. Look at your little hands. Oh my God. I can't. I can't see these are fingers. Teeny. Them fingernails that your mommy to bite them off for. What? No, 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 no. No, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Yes, you love hold up. Okay, you guys, so the day is going. We just left Tashika's house after spending some time and eating lunch. Going through Old Town, heading to the library because Tyler said he wants to go to the library to check out books. So to the library we go. So I'm gonna show you guys through Old Town as I scroll through with all these tourists eating lunch and passing through the city. Okay, I think I didn't walk where it, oh, it's here. Okay, but if I continue straight, where will it take me? Take it up for the library. Look, Petit Loup aime l'école. Come sit. Come. Sit and read book. Book. What's wrong? If all of the rest gone, but you read that one already? Sarah, 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 Sarah. Bedtime for my babies.
Dans le panier à doudou. La maîtresse. La maîtresse est déjà là. Bonjour Choupi. Choupi dit au revoir à papa et il rejoint son copain Pilou qui fait de jolis dessins. Sur une... Au revoir papa. Sur une feuille. Choupi commence à dessiner avec des feutres. Un peu plus tard, les enfants font un parcours de motricité. Il faut rouler sur un tapis. Marcher sur un banc. Et lancer un ballon. Bravo! Choupi a tout fait sans tomber. Il s'écrie: je suis un champion. Drink, la cloche en français, d'accord? Cloche sonne. C'est la récréation. Dans la cour, on peut faire du toboggan ou du vélo. Bravo! Avec les copains, on s'amuse bien, même s'il y a parfois des petites disputes. En revenant dans la classe, Choupi fait un exercice pour apprendre les chiffres. Il entoure des... Tu veux pas amuser à maman?
Bisous à maman. Night night. Love you. Night night. Say bye-bye, Faith.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
Oh, what's up with guy?
Jason stays right here.
Chicken. Oh.
No pee-pee in the
Big.
very good. Bye-bye. Okay, handsome. You're reading. Where's your closet open? I'm gonna close your closet.
I love this book.
You love that book? Okay.
So now we just know Star Wars and now we're going to watch.
Okay, gonna read a bit. See something on your floor. I'm gonna read a bit before you go to bed. Under your desk, there's a garbage thing. And one on your desk.
Ready?
Gonna read a bit before you go to bed.
Yes, I love reading.
I know. I'm happy that you love reading.
Mama,
Mm.
if I only have, you see all the books I have,
Mhm.
and all the games I have,
Mhm.
and all the other things that are not the books,
Mhm.
if I have everything in my room right now,
Mhm.
I didn't have them except my books, it will be fine.
I know you'll still be happy. All right. Enjoy reading the next 30 minutes. Papa will come and put you to bed. Okay. Say bye bye to Faith.
Bye-bye. And I almost finished this book.
You almost finished it already.
Yes?
Okay. Hi Faith, so I'm coming on to end this vlog real quick. That's all I had for you for this day. It was a busy day, and we put the kids to bed, and Babe and I just spent some time together. So I'm just coming on another day while editing, just to end the vlog and tell you guys thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy the bits that we had to show you, and finally see Tashika's baby. Final meeting Aloria. She's adorable. She's the newest member of the gang. She is the tiniest, cutest little button ever. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and of course give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Faith.
Bye, Faith.